What's up everybody, Technical TOG here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to Vesa mount the MSI G274F. As you guys can see, this is the stand that comes with the monitor, which is clearly okay, but if you want it to look more clean, let's say like this one right here, I will show you guys how to actually Vesa mount this monitor. Now this monitor is a little bit more tricky because it has a 75 by 75 millimeter Vesa mount, so I'll actually show you guys how to attach a 100 millimeter and a 70. It's basically a 2-in-1 Vesa arm, and I'll also tag that in the description if you guys would like to check that out on Amazon, the exact one that I used today. So you're just gonna take a Phillips screwdriver like this one, and you're just going to loosen these two screws at the bottom of the monitor. Now you're gonna have to want to do this so we can actually remove the old stand. Now guys, please watch till the end because you will want to follow through with this so you do not accidentally damage your monitor. Now we're going to loosen the other side as well so we can actually remove the stand. It only has two screws over here at the bottom you actually need to worry about. So as you guys can see, very easy. It shouldn't be too tight if you attach the stand yourself. Now we're just going to gently lift up the stand at the bottom and then pull and wiggle the upper part. And there you go. The stand is now removed. A little bit more easy than the Samsung Odyssey G3. And then remember to remove the remaining screws in the stand and in the monitor because you need 4 in total to connect a Vesa mount. So as you guys can see, there is 2 more in the stand itself or in the monitor itself. You're also going to loosen these 2 and remove them because we're actually going to have to need those screws as well to attach the Vesa mount to this monitor. So as you guys can see, very easy. This is the easy part of the video, guys. So yeah, stay tuned. The hard part will be explained in a moment. Over here you guys can see this is how the back will look when you're done and you're ready to connect your Vesa mount. Of course, this one is linked in the description, but it does not fit on this monitor because this is a 75 by 75, but luckily MSI included these spacers. You guys probably did get, everybody gets this packet of spacers with the monitor for this problem if it occurs. So there you go. You're just going to remove all 4 of these spacers and we're just going to place them over there or anywhere where they cannot get lost or anything like that. So over here is safe, just don't let them fall in there. Then you're just going to take your thumbs and or your fingers and just like tighten this with your hand. You can probably use a tool, but it's just better to do it with your hand so you don't overly tighten it because it generally doesn't have to be super tight. It just needs to be good so you guys can actually put the Vesa mount. So that's the first one. We're just quickly gonna speed this up and quickly just loosen or tie up all of these spacers so you guys can see how it works because you guys get the idea of how to attach them to the monitor. Last one, and then we're basically done. There you go. Make sure they're all aligned so one is not like more tight than the other one because that will be a problem. You're gonna take the 4 screws that we removed earlier, and now guys, we're gonna get the Vesa mount. Now as you guys can see, I will link this one at the bottom so you guys can check it out on Amazon so you guys will not have problems. This one is 100 by 100 millimeter and 75 by 75, but of course we need a spacer. So you're gonna, these stuff are usually included with the stand, but not all of them actually get it. But if you guys don't have it, it's not a very big issue, but make sure to put those I don't know, silver wheels there. I don't know what it's called for extra support. Now just going to put those 4 screws that we removed earlier. You're gonna just tighten them with your hand like so. It's just way easier doing it like this. Or of course, if you have a magnetic screwdriver, that's even easier. Then just take your Phillips screwdriver again and just like tighten up all these screws like so. It's very easy, this part of the video. The hard part is actually over. So as you guys can see, there you go. Your monitor now has a Vesa mount. This is how it looked before. Basic and functionable, but not perfect. This is how it looks now. And I have to say, guys, get this Vesa mount. It's absolutely worth it. Your setup will look way cleaner. And yeah, I just prefer Vesa mounted monitors in general. compared to the stands that take up so much space on my desk. I can now move my mouse pad around, and it's just way better. It looks cleaner. And as you guys can see, there is some more adjustability for the monitor. So make sure to check down below for the Amazon link, and then you guys can get it if you guys are interested. And yeah, that's basically today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick guide of the MSI G274F to mount it on a Vesa mount, and I'll see you guys in the next one.